All right, what's going on, everybody? I got to update you on or tell you a couple things for this video because things kind of got crazy and I didn't record it exactly the right way. So instead of doing the wiring loom where I make the wires and do all that and put it together, I used an extension cord, which I've used before. I went and bought a new one, the thickest one I could get with the really good wires in there. And I've used those before for jobs and they work great. So instead of building one, I used extension cords and ran that through. The video's a little bit like hectic because we got so many of us in there working and stuff like that. But I think you guys are still really gonna like it. I already got the other video recorded. We got her to fire up for like 5-10 seconds, something like that. So you guys are gonna get the rest of the electrical on this video, and then the next video will be of us getting the motor started. And after I get done with this and edit this video, I'm coming out here to pull the carbs and all that fun stuff. And last night I got bored, so I started working on it. And look at that, we got motor turnage now. Oh, hell yeah. You can't even tell on the camera, but she's working. She steers. So, come on, let's get to the video. Okay, so we got all the wires hooked up now, and we're gonna touch a battery to it and see if we get anything happening, see if we get it to turn over at all or anything. So let's give it a shot. Andrew, pass me that battery up. That's all we're gonna do for right now. Easy guy. See, you're gonna hold these.
It's what?
I just hooked it up backwards.
You're an idiot, bro.
Big red. What's big red?
Big red's not labeled. The blinker 0 is the same post that it's coming off of.
That's the one I need. That's the one that gets power up here.
Yeah, so coming off that same post as big red is the 0, the blink.
That can't be right.
Wait, which one comes up? This one, no. Blank or 0 was the wire that's coming off of. Hang on, that's not right.
Big red was never marked.
Yeah, hang on.
Big red was just big red. And that was the one they overlaid.
And that's 4. Your white.
My 3 right here. Where's your 3 at? So 3 was big red, and we never got him hooked up. That's when we f***ed up. So we're right there. We ain't got power to this switch, so it never even sent anything back there.
What are you talking about?
I never sent power to the switch, so it never connected anything.
So you're gonna hook something up with it?
Yeah. So big red number 3 is the one that I need to hook up to get power here.
I don't have a 3 back here.
So wherever I sent big red up here is wrong. So what wire and what loom did you send big red? The one that was coming off that big right post.
The second extension cord with the non-black tape, the white is 4. That's coming off the same post as big red.
Now there was 2 wires that came up here. So where's the extra one? Green on second one. Green on the second one.
Which is 5.
Which is 5 back there.
5 is coming off of this post right here, which is green.
The big one? Big post? Yeah. We've got this all fucked up. Where this is.
Green is going to come off from this one.
So green's a ground on here.
Green comes up to this one.
On that, the first one or the second?
Yeah. No, this is the secondary cord.
Okay.
White comes up to the, which was 0, which 0.
So this one, what is this one looking at? So that's the black.
That's the black.
And that is black on the second.
On the second extension cord.
I have that going to the ground up here, Andrew.
Well, whose fault is that?
I said black, 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 black. Yeah, black, 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 black.
Whose fault is that? It's not my fault.
So that one goes to power. And what was the green? The ground was green?
Yes.
So that one goes to right here. Okay. Okay. See, I knew something was wrong somewhere. Take 2. Alright, so we've got everything hooked up. We got it to turn over, and now we're going to spray some gas in her and see if she fires off at all and see what happens. Oh. No. Let's see.
Oh, hey, yo.
Andrew, give her a little squirt. Hey, you see the valves up there?
Yeah.
The thing? Here she come.
He's ripping.
Give her a little bit. Here, hang on. Oh, it's not hooked up, that's why.
You ready?
Yeah. Hold it open. Nope. Okay. So it fires, we know that.
Yes.
So that's good. So now we can start buttoning all this up and doing everything the right way. All right. More time lapse, come on. All right, and just a quick word from our sponsor today. It is EKSTER wallets. You guys have heard me talk about these wallets before, and know I am a big fan of them. I have my own. I use it all the time. She's beat up. She's saved me 1,000 times. I love the way the cards come out, the whole 9 yards. But EKSTER was kind enough to send me another wallet here, a keychain, and an extra tracking card. So I'm going to be giving everything you see here away. This one is the brown leather. I absolutely love it. I'd switch it over to my normal wallet if I didn't have to give it to you guys. But I want to give you guys something. We hit 100K. This is all for you guys. This one actually also comes with another card holder. So it goes on there. They have their keychains now that hold from 3 to 6 keys and are magnetic, which are absolutely awesome. I love them. And also we're going to have the extra tracking card. So you got, someone's going to get a wallet, someone's going to get a keychain and a tracking card. And Also, they have 15% off on their website right now. So go ahead down into the link in the description below. Click that and go get you the new smartest wallet on the market. Come on. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, we're going for our first start. We just put some gas in the carburetor, trying to see what happens before we pull it all off. So, Andrew, there's that.
Hey, bud.
It's pointing at you. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Power.
Give her a little squirt. Try and get her wake up.
The wires are smoking, bud.
Huh?
These fucking wires are smoking.
I'm sure.
I think it's over there.
Oh, there it is.
Hang on.
Ready?
Power. Dude, these things are burning hot, bro. Like, I can barely not hold them anymore.
Okay. So that must mean there's some resistance in them.
They're burning hot, bro.
Well, that starter's just rolling. So we got a little bit of a spark up on there, but nothing yet. We got a little bit of a fire, so I'm sure did you see any fuel coming out of these, Andrew?
Mm-mm.
Those are sticking a little bit. We got fuel running down, it looks like, on these. Oh, that might have been you spraying it. Yeah, alright. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to just go ahead and finish up wrapping up all the wiring, get that all put away. In the next video, we'll start tearing into the motor, doing the spark plugs, you know, going through all that, cleaning the carburetors, changing all the fluid. It's sparked, we know it'll run. I just got more work to do. We're getting there little by little. So if you like the video, don't forget, like and subscribe. Don't forget, we still got shirts and hats and everything in the merch store at bunkerbranding.com. And the Instagram changed to High Strung Vlog. So don't forget to go check all that out. We'll see you next time. Come on!